My name is Patrick Evans.
And my name is Jason Becton.
And we're the owners of MarieBette and Petite MarieBette in Charlottesville, Virginia.
And today we'll be showing you how we put the stencils on our flourless chocolate cakes for Black History Month.
I like to think of it as like edible art and like kind of temporary, not too precious. I went to art school originally for printmaking and painting, so I feel like it was a good way for me to like combine my interests.
We had started doing the stencils on the breads to create kind of temporal art.
We started being more specific and more deliberate about what messages we were sending.
And during Black History Month, we had started doing stencils here and there, not very structured, of the people you would usually expect to see celebrate on Black History Month, like Martin Luther King or Harriet Tubman. The whole process of putting together the calendar and choosing people has been a really great experience for me. There's a lot of people that we've learned about that I'd never even heard of before that was kind of shocking to me that I hadn't heard of.
It's been a really great way to use our platform, however small it is. It feels like we are using it to talk about these issues in a way that's relatable and appropriate for us as a bakery.
We've brought our whole selves into this business, and we try to be as authentically ourselves as we possibly can be. So we are the owners of MarieBette and Petite MarieBette in Charlottesville.
Like synchronous?
Yeah, we'll try and do that.